Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk again about LeadsLeap.com because as of yesterday, LeadsLeap has just launched a new feature which I'm really excited about it. And let me explain you why. Without further ado, let's jump to my LeadsLeap account. And the feature I'm talking about, as you can read here, is a traffic co-op link. So they just launched this feature. Let's check it out together and then I'll show you some of my statistics till now. Remember guys, this feature was launched just yesterday. Okay, so basically it's a co-op link from LeadsLeap that you promote, and when you share this link it will display other users ads. When they share their co-op link, it will display your ad as well. This is how basically co-op links work. Okay, but the reason why I'm so excited about it is because with this feature now you have 5 ways to earn on LeadsLeap. Alright, as you can see here, let me zoom in. 5 ways you can earn on LeadsLeap. Before there were 4 ways, now with this new feature there are 5 ways. And you can get paid quite well, guys. As you can read here, if you drive unique traffic to this link, you can earn from $0.1 up to $8 per 1,000 clicks. So think about it. If you use traffic exchange sites that accept co-op links, because not of them do accept it, okay, and better yet, if you are an upgraded member on those sites, you can drive 1,000 clicks easily every day. So think about it, the potential that you can earn with this new feature. Like I said, it hasn't been 24 hours yet that this feature was launched. So I'm not going to go through all of these details because I take it that you get the idea. So let me just show you what results I got from yesterday afternoon until now, that is 10 a.m. okay, not yet 10 a.m. So let's just go to my clicks and credit stats. There you go. As you can see here, co-op clicks, alright, 726 clicks, less than 24 hours. And to think that not all the traffic exchange sites that I use on a daily basis accept this type of links, okay, and there you go. Only from just today I got 103.32 credits on my LeadsLeap account. Okay, now if you know how LeadsLeap works, then you know that this is a lot just from promoting my co-op link. And by the way, you can find it right here on the making money section, obviously. And there you go, co-op earnings. All right, now it updates every Friday. Okay, so still I haven't seen the conversion. I mean, if my clicks were unique, how long did they stay on that link or the ad that was displayed at that time, etc. You can read all about it on the dashboard of your account. Just click here on LeadsLeap Traffic Co-op New Launch and you can read all about it here. However, like I said, it hasn't been updated yet, so I can't show you how much money I've earned, but I'd already show you how many credits I earned. And just a couple of minutes ago, before I started this video, I did a credit encashment, so I earned $0.1 right away. And this not only gives you advertising, not only gives you credits in addition, not only gives you cash, okay, that I think I take it that this is the most important thing, right? So think about it, guys. You can earn from $0.1 to $8 every 1,000 clicks. Now imagine if those clicks were unique, okay? I mean, if you use a lot of traffic exchange sites, you can drive probably 2,000, 3,000 clicks to that link, and imagine if 1,000 of them are unique, you can earn up to $8, okay, besides of your daily active bonus, okay, besides the conversion every Friday. All the clicks will convert into cash, okay? Besides all the advertising, I mean, there is a lot that you can earn just from this feature of LeadsLeap, okay? So I don't want to take any more of your time, guys. There is a lot here, okay? So I don't want to confuse you with that. However, I take it you get the idea, okay? You just go here to the menu, money menu, click on co-op earnings. It will take you to this page. This will be your, I mean, this is mine with my username, but yours will be the same with your username. And here you can insert an ad bar, and here you can show the widget. So let me show you how this looks. Okay, let's just go to this link. There you go. So this is my ad bar. This is the widget, the widgets PPC that will show here, but this is not my ad, okay, as I've explained earlier. So if anyone else that uses LeadsLeap shares his or hers co-op link, it will show my ad. Not only my ad, but my ad will be there as well. It is a rotator after all. Alright, so you get the idea. Anyways, guys, if you don't know what LeadsLeap is, how it works, what I'm talking about, please do yourself a favor, click this video on the screen right now. It will show you everything you need to know about LeadsLeap. Also, don't forget to check the description of this video on the screen to find the links necessary to create your free account. See you in the next video. Cheers.